Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the first poem from Class 10 English First Flight, Dust of Snow, written by Robert Frost. In this video, we will understand the poet, the poem, difficult words, stanza-wise explanation, summary, theme, symbolism, poetic devices, central idea, and the moral of the poem. Before we begin, like, share and subscribe to my channel, so let's begin. Robert Frost was a famous American poet who is widely known as the poet of nature. His poems are simple to read but carry deep meanings. He often used nature to explain important lessons about life. He won the Pulitzer Prize 4 times and is remembered as one of the greatest poets in English literature. In this poem, he shows how a small incident in nature can completely change a person's mood. Before we explain the poem, let's understand some difficult words. Dust of snow means tiny particles of snow. Hemlock tree is an evergreen tree that is often associated with sadness. Shook down means to make something fall by shaking. Mood means a person's state of mind or feelings. Rude means regretted or felt sorry about something. Now that we know these words, the poem becomes much easier to understand. In the first stanza, the poet describes a simple event. He was standing under a hemlock tree on a snowy day. Suddenly, a crow landed on one of the branches. As the crow moved, it shook the branch, and tiny particles of snow fell onto the poet. This was a very small and unexpected incident. Although the crow and the hemlock tree are usually seen as symbols of sadness or bad luck, in this poem they become the reason for something positive. In the second stanza, the poet tells us how this small event changed his feelings. Before the snow fell on him, he was feeling sad and had been regretting his day. But after the snow touched him, his mood changed completely. He felt refreshed, happier, and more positive. This simple incident helped him enjoy the rest of the day instead of continuing to feel upset. Let's quickly summarize the poem. The poet was having a bad day and was feeling unhappy. While standing under a hemlock tree, a crow accidentally shook some snow onto him. This tiny incident completely changed his mood. The poem teaches us that even the smallest moments can bring happiness and hope. Sometimes, a simple event is enough to change our entire day. The main theme of the poem is hope and positivity. Robert Frost tells us that nature has the power to heal our minds. He also teaches us that we should never ignore small moments of happiness. Even when life feels difficult, a simple and unexpected event can change the way we think. The poem encourages us to stay positive and appreciate the little joys in life. The poem uses 3 important symbols. The crow usually represents sadness or negativity. The hemlock tree is often associated with sorrow or unpleasant feelings. The dust of snow represents hope, freshness, and a positive change. The interesting part is that things normally seen as negative become the reason for the poet's happiness. This teaches us not to judge situations only by their appearance. Now let's look at the poetic devices used in the poem. Alliteration is the repetition of the same consonant sound. Example, has given my heart. Here the 8th sound is repeated. Assonance is the repetition of vowel sounds. Example, shook down on me. Here the O sound is repeated. Enjambment means a sentence continues to the next line without a full stop. For example, the way a crow shook down on me. The poet also uses symbolism where the crow, hemlock tree, and dust of snow represent deeper ideas. Finally, imagery helps readers imagine the snowy scene clearly in their minds. The central idea of the poem is that even a small positive experience can completely change our mood. Robert Frost reminds us that happiness can come from unexpected places. Instead of focusing only on problems, we should appreciate the little moments that make life beautiful. Nature has the power to refresh our minds and fill us with hope. The poem gives us a beautiful life lesson. Never underestimate small moments of happiness. Stay hopeful, even during difficult times. Nature can heal our minds and help us feel better. Sometimes, one small positive event is enough to change an entire day. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this explanation helped you understand the poem Dust of Snow in a simple and easy way. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more CBSE Class 10 English explanations. See you in the next video. Happy learning!